Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Cut It Out with Miranda and Lisa, and we're going to use this cut file. It is from Just Nick. It will be linked down below in my description. Now, I decided to pull a little bit of a challenge and go from Shannon Allore's class that she's doing. It's set for 10 weeks now. She gives out like sketches and all of that kind of all of that fun stuff to help you use up your 6x6 or 6x8 paper pads. Now, I don't have a lot of them, but the ones that I do have, I really have not ever used them. And so I decided that I am going to strictly use this one piece of paper and then get into my 6x6 paper pads and dig out as many of the papers I can and use them up on this cut file. And that is all I use to back this cut file up off camera. And this is Cute Girl. It is one of the older collections that I have. Now, I know it's not that old, but it is one of the older collections I have. And I decided I'm going to use some of this up and get it out of my stash and all of that fun stuff. Now, I am using one of the new shimmers, I think, or Vives. Let me get it quick. It's Vives Be Right Black. It is got gold specks in it, so you can see it really close in the still shots, but it's got a black hues to it. So normally almost all of the Vives have some type of shimmer in them, but this is the first one that I've ever gotten that has gold shimmer, and I love it. It was part of their color kit, or I should say it is part of their color kit, and I will link that down below if it's still available. Not sure, I'm not sure if they're going to have it in the shop as individual, but I know the color kit is there, and it's super gorgeous. There's tons and tons of like awesome colors that was along with that kit that you just have to. It's got all the blacks and whites that you possibly could think of. So yeah, that is the color kit. Now I'm taking the photo. Oh my gosh, this photo. I had to go back into my Instagram to find out exactly why I took this photo. I knew that there was a reason behind it, but I couldn't remember what it was. And the day before her birthday, which would have been she was a second grader, so her seventh birthday, she was in the bathroom at 5:30 in the morning just singing away. Both Josh and I were like, what in the world? But she was just singing away in there, singing and singing. And her birthday was on the weekend, so this had to have been Friday. So her birthday must have been on a Saturday, because this was a Friday that she was going to town on this whole singing business. And she was wearing her husky hat, and apparently singing at 5 a.m. in the morning with her husky hat was the thing to do. So I am just backing it, putting it in there. I do twist everything to make it like this cool, like slanted, like the butterflies going up the page slanted. And then everything else is kind of just all over the place. And just as a disclaimer, I'm sorry if you can hear my little puppers of an Asher Basher going to town. He ain't barking or anything, but he's certainly gnawing on a bone that I can hear. He decided he's got to do it in here, for whatever reason. Excuse me. So I'm just placing down all of the embellishments. Now, I got a bunch of embellishments out because I knew that this was going to take me the longest. Was trying to figure out how I was going to make all of this like work and things like that. So I'm just going through, like I said, I don't have much of it, but yeah, so make sure you go check out Lisa. Obviously, her and I always have different takes on our cut files that we pick, so definitely go check her out. She'll be linked down below. And if you are coming from Lisa's channel, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. I would love to have you hit that subscribe button. I am absolutely amazed to all of my family, YouTube family that's here. I am super duper close to 2,500. I am trying to get to 3,500 by the end of 2021 here. I have tons of inspiration on here. I do collaborations, design team layouts, and just regular process videos. And I'm also a close to my heart consultant. Obviously, all of that information will be linked down below, and I would love to have you hit that notification button, so each and every time that you, or each and every time that I upload, you will get a notification. Yeah, so I am, let's see here. When I do this voiceover and this goes up, I will be in, it'll be Martin Luther King Day, so I ended up going to virtual now until who the heck knows, because it's tentatively we're supposed to come back for 2 weeks. I doubt it, but you know, I'm hopeful. But ultimately, at the end of the day, my counterpart teacher and I are hitting it strong. We're doing our Zoom meetings. We're having tons of fun with it. I did a STEM lab for them, and I already uploaded the video on my other YouTube channel just for school. And it's they just love the fact that Miss Webber's got a YouTube channel. It's funny. But ultimately I just use it for pretty much just to upload anything that they may need extra instruction for, that if they miss the Zoom, they can go back and watch it. And then it also helps the parents to go back and rewatch it to make sure that they're helping their student without doing the work, but helping their student and make sure that they understand what they're looking at. Now, of course, I've been adding thread. I'm in this thread kick again, and I absolutely love it. I added in certain different spots. I love adding this ice cream cone, this doll, flowers, and this bunny, and this cat. Everything just works perfect. Oh, my Asher Basher is something else, let me tell you. Let's see here. What else am I going into? I'm trying to think of what else. Josh has been over there almost now 60 days. I know that we're about mid-month, but when he got there, he was pretty close to mid-month anyway, so he's sitting pretty good. He's gotten some stuff done. He's gotten all his baggage now, all of his unaccompanied stuff that he wanted to go over there. So yeah, everything's going out pretty good. He went to the range a couple times, but nothing too spectacular. Kaylin started virtual again. She's been in it for a full week, where my students, because we're face-to-face, they don't start until the 14th. So when this goes up, obviously this is on a Monday, so they've already had 2 days of instruction. But they wanted us to get the packets ready and then have the parents pick up. So ultimately, it's kind of like one of those things where you kind of play around with how are we going to do this. So we've been doing it 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks we pick up packets and then turn in packets. So I'm thinking almost 100% that's kind of what we're going to be doing for a little while. And I'm completely fine with that. My counterpart teacher, John Pierre, and I are just fantastic together. The parents enjoy that the two of us come together. I teach my 2 favorite subjects, which is math and science. She teaches her 2 favorite subjects, which is reading, ELA, and like reading, writing, language arts, that kind of stuff. And social studies. So it works out perfect for us. But I'm almost done. Everything is on there. I absolutely love this. I do add the journaling off camera. You will see that in the still shots. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you go check over at Lisa's, like and subscribe to her channel. I hope that you enjoy this. You all stay in safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.